Hello. Today we're going to talk about Bell's palsy. Bell's palsy is a temporary weakness or paralysis of the facial muscles on one side of the face. But the emotions at the root of the facial muscles weakenings are the experience of a very stressful childhood that left the person feeling out of control, disrespected, and overlooked. There's also low self-esteem, which allows others to take advantage of them. The individual also has developed a tendency to rigidly control their emotions, such as anger, resentment, mistrust, which also includes feelings of revenge. As a result of this pattern, they may find it challenging to assess how stressful, abusive, invasive, and traumatic their experiences were, and perhaps still are. Over time, their tolerance for enduring abusive circumstances tend to increase. See, also, if the right side is the one that has the paralysis, there's a meaning to it too. The individual may feel challenged by the relationship with a female mother figure. They may also feel confused as to how best to communicate their feelings and needs to male figures such as parents, co-workers, friends, or their father. There is also a great deal of stress in their personal life. They may feel like a failure, and failure in their childhood was never tolerated. This creates more tension, guilt, and shame in regards to needing to succeed, and there are more feelings, emotions, and judgments behind this. Now, talking about the left side paralysis, there is a great deal of strain, tension, or anger related to their personal relationships with males. They have a natural feminine nature that is interpreted by others as a weakness. Their sensitive side is often attacked or judged. They feel stressed, exhausted, or strained as a result of feeling uncertain in their personal relationships. This could be work related, and it often starts during childhood. They may be carrying too many burdens because they often feel that more responsibilities equals acceptance. They will avoid being verbally abused or attacked at all cost. So, depending on which side of the face it has a paralysis, we need to focus on becoming neutral to those feelings, emotions, and judgments, as well as to the overall general feelings, emotions, and judgments that cause the weakening of the facial muscles. And with that, have a great day.